Tired of bland, store-bought bread? Craving that bakery fresh taste at home? Introducing the KBS 17-in-1 bread maker. This isn't just a bread maker. It's your all-in-one solution for delicious, homemade treats. Imagine waking up to the irresistible aroma of freshly baked bread every morning. With a KBS bread maker's 15-hour delay timer, that dream becomes a reality. Featuring innovative 710W infrared dual heaters and a unique healthy ceramic pan, you'll enjoy perfectly brown crusts and fluffy interiors without any harmful chemicals. From gluten-free loaves to sourdough delights, jams to yogurts, the KBS bread maker's 17 customizable menus offer endless culinary possibilities. Plus, the Auto Nut dispenser adds the perfect touch. The large capacity lets you bake 1.5, or 2-pound loaves, and the advanced touch panel makes operation a breeze. It even remembers settings if the power goes out. More than just convenient, the KBS bread maker empowers you to create healthy, preservative-free bread that saves you time and money. The sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while the compact footprint ensures it won't hog your counter space. Order your KBS 17-in-1 bread maker today and experience the joy of homemade goodness.